Guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. It is so sunny outside. I'm in my kids' room and I am doing a bit of a spring cleaning and organizing their stuff, getting rid of like old clothes, etc., and yeah, I'm really excited for that. Kind of excited. It's a lot of work. I got boxes here from when we moved in. It's still not back out, so it was stuffed in the closet actually. So I'm trying to just get my life together, since for this week I won't be going to work. As I am finished cleaning out the closet and kind of sort of organizing it the best way I can. Trust me, in here was way crazy. This load right here is for donation and stuff. Yeah, this closet was filled with a lot of the baby shower stuff, so it's good that get it on. Hey guys, I'm a bit tired. I am heading out to go and pick up my baby from his aunt's house. She had him like for 6 hours today, which is something. It's not nothing huge. Before the whole corona, she been doing it, you know. Our family tend to, you know, they always be a part in the kids' life. So, you know, sometimes the aunts have them, sometimes the grandma has them and stuff. So it really kind of just gives me a break sometimes, even though it's a very hard thing for me. But I appreciate it nonetheless, because today I got a lot done. Even with them, I still get a lot done because I try to push the boundaries. I try, you know, but I got a lot done. I got to record a couple videos, so I have a lot of pre-record, which is good. This is my first time coming outside after taking a time off from work. Yeah, and it's been feeling good, rested. It is very windy, that I must say. Very windy. It's like it's blowing the car or something. But yeah, this is literally how the place look. Like nobody is freaking on the road, honestly. Crazy. see you in my next video. I should be going on the road tomorrow, grocery shopping and stuff. So you guys will definitely be coming with So this is what they're looking like. Come on. Do not tell me this doesn't look good. And the ginger and the lemon zest just makes it taste so refreshing. Like it just tastes like a lot of grease and stuff. I didn't even put any grease in there. I just put the season at the bottom, put the chicken on top, and just let it stay there and just cook.